Machiegni kendo nyakoro mgajwang' chendo en migago wadhi mbele gi weche manyien. Jod bura moko mawuok Ukambani dwaro mondo migago mar somo owit oko chendo manyien mar siro jopuonjre mamedo kelo liet ka giwacho ni ok odewo jopuonjre mochando. Seneta ma Makueni Daniel Manzo owacho ni piny owacho onge nyalo mar yango chan mar ng'ato ka jaod bura Mayata Robert Basil to kwedo kwan jopuonjre momi thuolo e band mar 4 ma en joma bet nigi nyalo kopim kod band mokwongo kod mano mar 2.
A chief, a farmer, and a mentor.
In knowing that you are now at peace, of you every day. Rest well, my dear son.
I want to say for the first time in history, we have a very big problem taking students to university. Nimefanya maarabi mbele 20 Makueni na bado watoto hawajatosha. I know a very poor family where the son was put in band 5. What method are you using to classify these students? Do you have capacity to know who is needy and who is not needy? I want to say there is a problem. As a matter of policy, it should have gone to Parliament. As a matter of law, it should have gone to Parliament. Ruto, you never took this to Parliament.
The current funding model of higher education system, haifanyi kazi, is not working at all. Unapata mtoto wa maskini amewekwa what we are calling band 4 ambao ni ya matajiri. Na ule mtoto ndoto lake la elimu inapotelea pale. Na ndio mimi na wabunge wenzangu tunamwambia rais na waziri husika turudishe elimu ya ngazi ya juu, the funding model to what we used to have.